This is where I grew up. This is also where the language Old Frisian was spoken some 500 years ago, a language Tolkien knew. He had at least one Old Frisian book in his library, and the language Anglo-Saxon, the language of the Rohirrim, is very, very close akin to the Old Frisian language. So I translated Anglo-Saxon into Old Frisian. I do not know whether Tolkien would have agreed, but I think when he knew, if he had known that just some few miles ahead the royal hall of Finn Folkvalding was situated, it's in that direction by the sea, a hall, a story which he wrote about, it was in the language Old Frisian when those things happened. So I hope that he would have agreed.